20 by 10.5 cooking area. Use on all cooking surfaces, grills and campfires. Oven safe. Sauté, sear, fry, bake and stir-fry to heart's content. Included components: cast iron grill/griddle. Item shape: rectangular. The Lodge Reversible Pro Grid Iron Grill/Griddle provides excellent heat retention and distribution and fits over 2 stovetop burners. 2 easy grip handles allow for easy lifting, flipping or hanging when not in use. You can use this grill to cook pancakes and eggs or grill chicken and steak. Top reviews from the United States. A game changer in the kitchen. I don't know what took me so long to get one of these, but this unit is quickly going to become my most used piece of cookware in the kitchen. Well, it will be close between this and my Teflon pans, but each has a specific use. So this is cast iron. I knew this going in. I know how to use cast iron. There are advantages when it comes to heat distribution as well as to durability. You can beat the crap out of your cast iron, and it will last forever. Many of the reviews on this item talk about how the unit is broken or unusable. That's not true. Unless it physically cracked, it can still be used. That was my biggest concern going in because let's face it. A company that has cast iron cookware crack isn't sending a very strong ringing endorsement to the overall reputation of the company, and there were a couple of reviews here. I can only review what I saw, though.